In this video, I will show you a detailed comparison between Fliki AI and Pictory, two popular AI video generators, focusing on their features, pricing, and use cases in 2024. Fliki AI and Pictory are both powerful AI-driven video generation tools that can help you create stunning videos quickly and easily. However, they have distinct features and pricing plans that cater to different needs. Fliki AI offers a wide range of templates and customization options, allowing you to create videos for various purposes, including marketing, education, and entertainment. Pictory, on the other hand, specializes in creating high-quality, professional-looking videos using advanced AI algorithms. Fliki AI is ideal for businesses and individuals looking for a cost-effective solution to create engaging videos for social media, websites, and other platforms. Pictory is more suited for professionals and organizations that require high-quality videos for marketing campaigns, presentations, and other purposes. Fliki AI offers free plan while Pictory charge $19 per month. For your convenience, the links to both Fliki AI and Pictory are in the description below so you can try them out.